When it comes to versatile, portable, and powerful cutting tools, the Cordless Mini Circular Saw is a top contender. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson, this tool can significantly enhance your efficiency and accuracy. Here's what you need to know to make an informed purchase. The power of a mini circular saw is usually measured in voltage, V, and amperage, R. Higher voltage generally means more power and cutting capability. Look for saws with at least a 12V battery for light tasks and 18V or higher for more demanding jobs. Check the saw's RPM, revolutions per minute, as well, as higher RPMs typically result in faster and cleaner cuts. Mini circular saws usually come with blades ranging from 4.5 to 6.5 inches. Smaller blades are ideal for precision cuts in thinner materials, while larger blades can handle more robust tasks. Ensure the saw's blade is suitable for your intended materials, whether it's wood, metal, or plastic. Some models offer the flexibility to switch blades based on your needs. Cordless saws rely on battery power, so consider the battery life and charging time. Lithium-ion batteries are popular for their longevity and quick charging. Check how long the battery lasts under typical use and how long it takes to recharge. It's also useful to have a spare battery for extended work sessions. A well-built saw will offer better performance and longevity. Check the materials used in construction. Metal components generally provide greater durability compared to plastic. Read user reviews to gauge the long-term reliability of the saw. Choose a reputable brand known for quality and customer support. A good warranty can provide peace of mind, covering any potential defects or issues. Check the warranty terms and what it covers to ensure you're protected in case of problems. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, consider the value for money in terms of performance, durability, and features. A higher initial investment can often save you money in the long run by offering better performance and fewer replacements. A cordless mini circular saw can be an invaluable tool for various cutting tasks, providing both convenience and efficiency. By considering power, blade size, battery life, and other essential features, you can choose a saw that best suits your needs and ensures a satisfying cutting experience. Invest wisely, and this versatile tool will enhance your projects for years to come.